Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a ground-up restored custom pick-em-up truck here. It's got a 6.0 Vortec aluminum fuel-injected motor with all the modern components, air conditioning, 4L60, electronic overdrive shift automatic, 373 posi. Got all sorts of stuff going for it. Some really unique body modifications as well. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs and study all the pictures top to bottom. And that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, first join me for a spin in this 67 C10 truck. I bought it from a collector out of Alabama. It's a clean southern truck. Body was off the frame. I could see new body bushings. The underside of the cab is just smooth, clean metal. All the chassis is just smooth and clean. It's not pitted and flaky. Just nice, clean metal painted like a semi-gloss or flat black, semi-gloss black. We just sent it to a front end shop that we use. Our bill was just over $1,000. Pretty much they look at it. They've got carte blanche to do whatever it needs. They ended up giving it an alignment, a tie rod end, lower control arm bushings. It also has an upgraded sway bar in front. The rear suspension's been redone. Oh, it has drop spindles too. It's got a lowered suspension. So in back, it's got lowering springs, gas shocks, new bushings. It has a real nice dual exhaust system with MagnaFlow stainless mufflers with turn down tips at the back. We got disc brakes up front. It's got a relocated fuel tank. You look up at the motor, it's an all aluminum motor. The oil pan, everything's aluminum. Has a high torque starter. And again, the 4L60E overdrive automatic, 373, and the original 12-bolt rear end back there, it's 373 posi gears. The truck itself, I called it grabber blue. That's what it looks like to me. But it is slick. But what caught my eye when I seen it as down at a show, this front spoiler, and it's molded in. It's part of the car. It's not a part someone bought and screwed onto the truck. Up here, the grille is real nice, and the bumper is obviously removed. So this is all custom made here. And then it's got these real fancy projector beam headlights put in there. It's got a cowl hood. All of this is real nice. The marker lights. All this metal is really nice. Gaps are really nice. It does have at the corner of this door, you don't even see them. If you run your hand across, you'll feel a couple little bubbles at the corner of this door. Chrome handles are new. The locks are new and polished. The bed is excellent. It's all real nice. And here's the other unique feature. Again, I've never seen this, but it has this metal spoiler attached right to the tailgate and to the bed of the truck. This looks new. No bumper again. They cleaned it up. There's a recessed license plate and a little eye here for the backup camera. This is cool. That's where you put gas in it. Normally the gas would have been here and the tank is inside the truck. A lot of people prefer to get it out of the truck and they put it underneath and they put the filler inside the bed. But this one here is on this hinged light. I thought that was a cool idea. The bed is all real nice. These are 20-inch wheels, nice tires. All new glass. They eliminated the vent window. It's just one piece of glass. All the gaskets around the windows, the back window, it's all been replaced. Well, we open the hood. Very clean. It's got that satin black finish, and it's, again, all smooth, clean metal. It's not layers of flaky spray paint or pits. It's just smooth, clean metal. It even feels smooth. And we got a Vortec 6000 under here. It's got all aluminum. It's got a little bit hotter cam. It's a 360 horsepower motor when it's stock. This one also has stainless steel headers. And then all the components on the front of it are all upgraded. The alternator, the serpentine belt system, the power steering, and it has a vintage heat and AC system in there. Everything's clean and tidy. It's got 2 big electric fans on the radiator. Power brake system looks like it's all new. Nice interior, we'll get to that in a minute. Inside the bed is real nice. The metal is all clean and it's color matched, chip guard painted, new wood. The metal slats were painted, has all new hardware. Tailgate's real nice, the hinges look new. Inside, it's all painted this gray color. The whole inside of the cab was painted, then it was carpeted, custom made door panels, has some nice comfortable bucket seats. They made a homemade console. They did a good job. His storage has a shifter down in the console, cup holders, power window switches. The gauges, they all light up. They're white face gauges, has a tachometer, has a tilt column with a beautiful Chevy polished steering wheel. It's got a touchscreen stereo with the backup camera, and it's got subwoofer behind each seat. There's an amplifier down under the console. There's speakers in the console, speakers in the kick panels, and tweeters in the door panels. It has a billet handle on each side, new weather strips, new door latches, jambs are painted nicely. And it's got on the key fob, there's 2 key fobs. It does have power locks. I was told it has power or remote start, which honestly I haven't played with it. I haven't figured that out, but we're told it has remote start. I got to figure out how to start it. It's got a push button starter. There's actually no key ignition. You got to hit the lock, and you hit the key button, and the start button. Must be LED lights in the gauges. They light up real nice and clean. Dome light works. It's got a nice sound. Got custom air intake too, just so clean. There's no clutter. It's like, where's all the wiring? There is none. It's got a fan up front as well. Remember, this is from down in Alabama. Those are them cool headlights. Looks like it has a halo ring around it. I'm not real familiar with what they are, but they're projector headlights. There you have it. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of the truck. If you have specific concerns or questions, there's plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. They'd be happy to spend the time with you and answer questions or concerns and help you with the whole process. They can make financing, delivery, and the paperwork real easy for you. Visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. So that's all. Thanks for watching.